What is up, everyone? Welcome to another Carb Fusion video. So this is a quick video. Usain Bolt has done his last competitive race of his career. Now this is, such a milestone for someone who has done so much for Jamaican athletics. Since his reign, he has broken and set many world records. You know what I'm saying? It's going to take a while for anyone to be able to break the records that he has set. You know what I'm saying? He has become Jamaica's star boy when it, comes to athletics. He is now dubbed legend Usain Bolt. But let me just talk a little bit about the others, the people who ran alongside him, Asafa Powell, Veronica Campbell-Brown, Shelly Ann Fraser-Price. But also, what about the people before him, Donald Quarry, and absolutely, thinking about Merlene Ottey, who was probably one of the only people who were flying the flag highly for Jamaica as well. So, for Usain Bolt to come this far, we'll think about the people that came before him and the people that was with him throughout the whole, thing. So I'm going to leave the clip with you guys. Watch his last race and let me know what you think about, this. All right. So that's it from me. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with a friend. Later. Peace.
2003 special high school champs records at 200 and 400. This is the last one. Sent up. Bolt didn't get a great start. Getting up well is Mincy Ashby. Bolt comes to the front. Usain Bolt in command of the race. The shining light of world athletics closes its Jamaican chapter. Kingston witnesses the last competitive performance in the land of wood, water, and speed. For Usain Bolt.
It's so special that the time he has run is the exact same time that he ran his very first 100 meters as a professional in 10.03 seconds. We couldn't have written that script.